So it's April 2022. We never expected that there's still snow. This is though is a blizzard. There's a blizzard warning a couple of days ago, and according to the weather network, this blizzard is a blizzard of the decade. So we were warned that there will be a possibility of power outage, road closure because of this weather. So now it's starting. We were expecting it last night, but it just started today, this morning. And I am also supposed to go, but my manager told me not to go. So because the road will be going to be very dangerous. Now the wind is picking up. The wind gust is now 61.5, and it's gonna be reaching up to 100 kilometers an hour later. So this is just the start of the blizzard. It will be worse later on this evening. The snow will be until Friday. So be careful guys driving.